Some words of wisdom for weight control. Never diet, but always care. When you're an adult, the scale is your friend for life. There is no no, but know what you're doing. Read labels. It starts in the supermarket. If you buy it, you're going to eat it. Know yourself. Lead us not into temptation. Learn how to eat, not how not to eat. Calories are like money. Calories are the real price tag we're paying on our body. The main philosophy of weight control is to be cheap and satisfied. Just remember, when we sit, the chemistry changes to make fat. Standing, the chemistry changes to make muscle. So just stand. If you want a long, healthy life, just move. Anything off the chair. Activity should be fun or size. Just care. And walk like your life depends on it, because it does. Smiling is a powerful way to change your body's chemistry. Think of something that makes you smile. Smile at someone. It's all about you. You don't have to be thin to be happy, but you do need to be healthy. Why not be both? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.